How do zero and first party data play roles in developing, what you were just describing, the personalized marketing strategies for events?
Yeah, I'd say events are fantastic sources of that first and zero party data. Just looking at kind of our studies of the market there, events can generate up to 80% of the customer data profile, say of that zero and first party data. So they're incredibly important to helping to understand your prospect. Part of, I think, the nuance there is helping to understand first maybe what zero and first party data is. I always use this analogy, and I think it dates me as well. But if you were to think about a mall, right? So there, now I've been dated.
What's a mall? No.
Exactly. I'll define that next. But if you think about a mall, third-party data is being able to see what happens across that entire mall, right? You have a shop within that mall, you're able to see everything. First-party data is being able to see what they do within your store, and zero-party data is what they've done at your cash register, where they've willingly given you that information. So I think that helps kind of level set what information is gathered, and relating that back to events. In the registration process, there's a ton of zero-party data provided. Most organizations will ask a variety of questions around your preferences, what your interests are, what things are important to you, even your dietary restrictions. And so a lot of information helps understand and develop really kind of who that person is, right? And it can be very valuable for marketers and very valuable for the sales team. During the course of the event, there's a variety of data gathered around first-party information where they're navigating which sessions they're interested in. Those are usually aligned to products or topics or degrees within the sales journey. Is this a prospect endeavor? Is this a customer endeavor? That helps set context for what, say, the user is following through with based off the preferences they gave you in registration, how they're actually acting. And then even within the event, you get to see what things they viewed, what things they attended. What did they like from surveys, right? Was that a good speaker? Was that relevant content to them? Do they want to learn more? What partners did they go visit? All this information is gathered within the context of just a single event. And again, organizations, especially enterprises, will run thousands of these across the year. So you can just see the scale and the impact of what is gathered just across the event channel.